So the theory behind opening up this Texas school branch, which is now in Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, and we are rapidly growing towards Austin and across Texas. It's a state accredited school by Department of Education and Workforce. And what we try to do is we try to bring in fast track new courses. And some of the courses are really very highly optimal in nature. Let's say if you look at our business analyst for IT professionals course, that's something that we are the only one doing across whole Texas. Not even there is a single person doing that. So there are a lot of schools doing that, but they're not even schools. They are mom and pop shops, and somebody who's a business analyst has been training from home, or somebody been sitting in India, Philippines, China. They are training you, so in half of the time the money is gone. Then you get a lot of students in a class. We are here who are doing a classroom size training, so we are quite different. First, we are not going anywhere because we've been there for the last 5 years. I've trained more than 5,000 plus students and have a very high recruitment rate. So we don't promise or guarantee any fake jobs like people do to just enroll students. We are a training school, but whatever recruitment assistance we gave is just in courtesy to help you out, because we have 78 plus recruiters on board. So once you are done with the course, we help you fine tune your resume, prepare you in a class or an interview mock preparation. The way the classes are conducted is there are only 5 students per class. That's it. We are the ones who have the shortest number of classes, smallest number of classes. In a way, it's given like a one-on-one kind of training attention. All the trainers who train you are practically Fortune 500 level consultant who has more than 10 plus years of experience, and they train you on hands-on, whether it's SAP business analyst course, it's a comprehensive cell phone repair technician course, it's a project management PMP, it's a .NET, it's a certificate of network admin. Anything that you do, it's hands-on. Classes are conducted on weekends, Saturdays or Sundays, so it's convenient for you. You can work on your jobs and you don't need to rush out in the evening. Just come in the morning fresh Saturday or Sunday and take the class. Small ones, you work like family and friends, so it's a very high level of energy and interaction given in the classes. So let's say business analyst course is something in which we teach you about business analyst, quality assurance, software testing, MS Project, MS Visio. We teach you also business process reengineering. It used to be a 6 weeks course. Now we have done it to 8 weeks course. So we keep on changing the curriculum, updating it based on the job demand. There are some people who come for quality assurance and testing, but that was old school of taught in 2007. There are no more companies who wants to hire quality assurance analysts, because that has become a part or subunit of business analyst course. We also teach the agile project management, and the way we teach you is we take up a project like, let's say Amazon, who is a booming company, just came to Houston, Toyota come to Plano, Texas, Dallas, and there are a lot of companies in San Antonio and all. So we take their dummy projects in a way and we walk you through a sequential approach. So by the end of class, these 5-6 students who are part of the class, they work in a collaborative way and you get a 50-page report done. So you have that confidence in your eyes when you speak. When you sit in front of the recruiter, it sees in your eyes, And that's why our students 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 5 are placed faster. So it's not that the market is bad. The problem is the people who are trained in the market are not in line. Sometimes we get students, I don't want to name those big universities, but they have done their masters and bachelors and still being jobless for 1.5 years, and they did business analyst or bookkeeping QuickBooks course from us. In a month time they get a job. Why? Because the level of trainers who are training you here have been into Fortune 500 consulting for last 10, 15, 20 years. Some of the consultants have been very renowned speakers on, platforms like Udemy, Lynda and all that. So when you get trained from them, physical one-on-one, that really helps you. We don't show you the PowerPoint presentations. We actually let you do that. Whether it's business analyst, whether it's SAP, HCM, human capital management, SAP FICO financial module, whether you do quality testing, you do on the live university level projects. If you do cell phone repair and testing, you learn from scratch. Many of the students have actually opened up their own shops, kiosks from 3 to 5 locations. Many of them have been doing their innovative modules on eBay. 2 students came from Austin. They just start up their own creative venture. They've been buying old cell phones and tablets. They've been putting gadgets over it, the fancy casing. They've been selling it back on eBay and Amazon. So every day they're making like 30-40 phones. Let's say $20 a phone. You do the maths, 40 phone a day is like $800 a day. and they have actually hired 7 of our more students. So we have a lot of success stories. In Tennessee, there is a family couple, they started their own franchise, mobile ambulance kind of brand going on. So that's why a lot of students, because we also try to promote you to be entrepreneur. In this way, business analyst is a highly corporate oriented job. Then there is bookkeeping and QuickBooks. When you learn about bookkeeping, accounting 101, chart of accounts, book of accounts, general ledger, you learn QuickBooks by doing it. You develop your own company. So when you do a lot of stuff with your own hand, in 8 weeks time you became a pro. You don't learn from the bookish old school of thought, the old professors which haven't seen the market. We don't hire them. We hire expensive people, $70-$80 an hour kind of instructors that are very Fortune 500, IBM, Deloitte, Accenture level consultants. So when you are trained, that increases your prospects for job. We don't say we guarantee job. That's something which nobody could promise you for a $1,500 course, giving you a $60,000-$80,000 job. That's not even a common sense. So don't get into trap for those people who say we'll guarantee you jobs, just come for training. They're just trying to catch you. We are open, we are a training school, we don't charge you anything for recruitment, but everything is given in courtesy, and 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 5 students are always placed. Some gets placed faster, some with time, but it depends on your people skin and all that we also try to polish. So schedule here at the number or email info@tscer.org, or you can visit tscer.org. Once again, this is Farid Pramani from Texas School of Continuing Education and Recruitment. We love forward to have you as a part of our family. Thank you.